Maybe I'll start with the first question. What are some of the biggest challenges you've faced in capital projects?
Uh, well, over the years, I've been involved in this industry for, well, over 40 years now. So I've seen a lot of projects
Right.
of different types. But I think most recently, one of the big challenges that we face is really related to the speed at which new technologies are developing. Um, and there's an obvious desire to market the fruits of those technologies as soon as possible. Um, you know, Classically, we've been faced with three competing aspects to a project execution: quality,
Hmm.
cost, and schedule.
Hmm.
And, as soon as a product shows promise, there's a natural push to ready a manufacturing capability for it. Um,
Right.
and I found along those lines, sometimes even the process or even the scale of operations is not fixed. And I'm a real firm believer that tying down the scope of process or manufacturing perspective and documenting that is critical to the overall success of a project.
Hmm.
So, we certainly don't want schedule to suffer, but at the same time, I think there's often a tendency to shortchange that first critical aspect of the project, and that's tying down that scope.
Yeah.
So that's one challenge I think we face just by
Yeah.
the nature of the industry today.
Yeah.